Let's all have Biafra at this Biafra Battle Cry Channel Television. On this day update, I'm bringing to you where the CHINASA NWORU, aka Mohammed Abbas of Kuwait, is making encouragement words to his gullible Iraq, telling them that Nigeria and Finland has established a good ties, and Nigeria or Finland cannot afford to lose the relationship they have built up for over 60 years. In fact, he said his own country, Nigeria, to tell you that he's no longer with IPOB. The man is gone and gone forever. They have been sacked from IPOB. All they are doing now in IPOB, or in fact, they are not in IPOB, but they are on social media. All they are doing is gra and mara one pitanazu. So I'm gonna show you, not showing you, just display the audio recorded, where he gathered his Iraq, was brainwashing them, trying to make them fall to his right, to follow him, to say the struggle of indigenous people of Biafra under the leadership of Sim0n. It is now that the world will know that Sim0n have surrounded himself with wolves in his sheep's clothing. Now you gotta listen to it. Pay attention. I will see you in another video. This is Biafra Battle Cry, and led by our spokesperson, Sim0n. Remember, he is the #1 article or publication of Memo, published 15th of December 2022, where he gave instruction that DOS criminal CHINASA NWORU and the Chike Edozie Habed board should forbid responding to Sim0n. That is #1 article on that memo. I thank you for remaining resolute to believing on the dragon. What he said stands forever until our leader Sim0n comes out. Thank you very much. I see you in another video. This is Biafra Battle Cry.
Before that day now, before problem they are tapasi yawo. Ima no chino kotola na problem ata na echi.
Attack was the attack on that website.
That in English,
Malaysian the website.
Yes. It's 18 criminal charges. 18 that fundraising, not against the law of Finland. In that fundraising on again na ego, and the hatred sale go na account here. Happy that this thing came last year, but you got no, Osborne may arrest. Here, him may arrest the Adria or Gaboso. I put him meaning. I got chok, maybe I have to get because I put the old one is here. Or book it today goes. Or make a Nigeria bed today. No. Yes. One of our brothers said, "Why am I the problem there?" That William. Us na got pocket. Hard drug say. When HR happen oboda tinye issue on that side. He say yes. I say get left by HR guy. He will run away go. I say I like ka buy go la naka. Mo no ko. O bro ni chomo aponyo nye gele ke so. Aga in case. Yes eba. They say hamba na ha boso. Ha say ngwe side ya. Nese na ga ha boso. So already mobile na near the border. And I was close to any border. He may say got close to those places, he violate the law. Another so this one, of course. And they didn't have border police or normal, their highest level border, and then I control the entrance. All risk got the citizenship here. In Finland and Nigeria were 60 years of relationship. Or they can Finland or they risky that relationship because of this guy. Or they can
the issue is that Nigeria itself or can't they run him
on one Nigeria. ịma nọ na-eme expect ihe nigiri ka o mee ọkwa ndị tinyere ya ọrụ asụkwa ele otu ọhaneze ga-esi bịa gbafuo na ọ natara 1 million ọhaneze because n'ọba ọhaneze ka this man nwụrụ anwụ ji rụọ the job mbụ George Obi ọzọ ịma na ọnya kọlọkọrọ ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị a na Amerịka ndị abatara it's a very big network. So within ọhaneze si na ha ga-apụta gba akaebe, that means ha ma ihe mere no very very well with him. Don't one thing bụ ka anyị kelere Chineke na anyị azọọla isi anyị today. Ịma na one thing bụ ndị mmadụ chọrọ ka m bịa broadcast before few days before like kemgbe 3 days onye mgbe ọbụla ọ bịara ya agbanwe